5 amazing abilities of jellyfish you may not know. Comment which one of these abilities amazed you the most. But first, click the subscribe button to get some wonder contents, and that's really cool. Let's get started. 1. Bioluminescence. Jellyfish bioluminescence refers to the production and emission of light by jellyfish through a chemical reaction within their bodies. This process involves a series of complex molecular interactions that result in the release of light energy. The bioluminescent process in jellyfish typically involves a molecule called luciferin, which reacts with oxygen to produce light. This reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme called luciferase, which helps to facilitate the chemical reaction. As a result of this process, jellyfish are able to produce a range of colors, including blue, green, and yellow, which can be used for a variety of purposes, such as communication, attracting prey, and defense against predators. The bioluminescent light produced by jellyfish can also be used to confuse or distract predators, helping the jellyfish to escape from danger. In some species of jellyfish, the bioluminescent light is produced in specialized cells called photophores, which are often located along the edges of the jellyfish's bell or in its tentacles. These cells contain the necessary molecules and enzymes to produce light and are often controlled by the jellyfish's nervous system to regulate the amount and timing of light production. 2. Regeneration. Jellyfish regeneration refers to the ability of jellyfish to regrow or repair damaged or lost body parts, including their entire body. This process involves the activation of specialized cells called stem cells, which have the ability to differentiate into different types of cells and tissues. When a jellyfish is injured or loses a body part, its stem cells are triggered to begin the regeneration process. These cells proliferate and differentiate into the necessary cell types to replace the lost or damaged tissue. In some species of jellyfish, the regeneration process can be quite extensive, allowing the jellyfish to regrow an entire new body from a small piece of tissue. This process is often facilitated by the presence of a network of nerve cells called a nerve net, which helps to coordinate the regeneration process. The regeneration process in jellyfish is also thought to be influenced by the presence of certain genes and molecular pathways that promote cellular proliferation and differentiation. These genes and pathways are often conserved across different species of jellyfish, highlighting the importance of regeneration in their life cycle. Overall, the ability of jellyfish to regenerate lost or damaged body parts is a remarkable example of their unique biology and adaptability. 3. Immortality. Jellyfish immortality refers to the unique life cycle of certain species of jellyfish, such as the Torritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish. This species has the ability to transform its adult form back into its polyp stage, which is the juvenile form of a jellyfish, through a process called transdifferentiation. This process allows the jellyfish to essentially revert back to its younger state, bypassing the normal process of aging and death. The transformed polyp can then grow back into an adult jellyfish, allowing the species to potentially live indefinitely. The immortal jellyfish achieves this remarkable feat through a complex series of cellular transformations in which its adult cells are converted back into stem cells, which can then differentiate into new cells and tissues. This process is still not fully understood and is currently being studied by scientists. The immortality of the Torritopsis dohrnii has sparked significant interest in the scientific community, as it challenges our traditional understanding of aging and death. While it is not clear whether other species of jellyfish possess similar abilities, the study of this phenomenon has the potential to reveal new insights into the biology of aging and regeneration. It is worth noting that while the Torritopsis dohrnii is often referred to as immortal, it is not technically invincible, as it can still die from injury, disease, or other external factors. However, its remarkable ability to cheat death through transdifferentiation has earned it a reputation as one of the most fascinating and enigmatic creatures in the animal kingdom. 4. Stinging cells. Jellyfish stinging cells, also known as psittacites, are specialized cells found in the tentacles and oral arms of jellyfish. These cells contain tiny, venom-filled structures called nematocysts, which are used for capturing prey, defending against predators, and even helping the jellyfish to move through the water. The nematocysts are tiny, harpoon-like structures that are coiled within the cytocyte. When a jellyfish comes into contact with a potential threat or prey, the nematocysts are released from the cytocyte and fire into the target, injecting venom and helping the jellyfish to capture or defend itself. The venom contained within the nematocysts can cause a range of effects, from mild irritation and pain to more severe reactions, including respiratory distress and even death. The venom is highly specialized and can vary in composition and potency depending on the species of jellyfish. Jellyfish use their stinging cells to capture a wide range of prey, from small fish and plankton to larger animals like crustaceans and even other jellyfish. They also use their stinging cells to defend themselves against predators, such as sea turtles and fish. In addition to their role in capturing prey and defending against predators, jellyfish stinging cells also play a role in helping the jellyfish to move through the water. By firing their nematocysts, jellyfish can create a current that helps them to propel themselves forward. 5. Sleepless existence. Jellyfish sleepless existence refers to the unique characteristic of jellyfish to not have a traditional sleep-wake cycle like most other animals. They do not possess a brain or a central nervous system, which are typically responsible for regulating sleep patterns. Instead, jellyfish have a network of nerve cells, called a nerve net, that allows them to respond to stimuli and coordinate basic movements. This nerve net is thought to be responsible for controlling the jellyfish's basic functions, such as swimming, feeding, and responding to threats. Jellyfish do not appear to have a circadian rhythm, which is the internal biological clock that regulates the sleep-wake cycle in most animals. As a result, they do not seem to require sleep in the same way that other animals do. While jellyfish do not sleep, they do have periods of reduced activity, which are sometimes referred to as quiescent periods. During these periods, the jellyfish may settle on the seafloor or float passively in the water, but they are still able to respond quickly to threats or food sources. Overall, the sleepless existence of jellyfish is likely an adaptation to their unique environment and lifestyle, which requires them to be constantly alert and responsive to their surroundings. So those are the 5 amazing abilities of jellyfish that people may not know. Jellyfish have several amazing abilities that people may not know about. One of these abilities is their power to regenerate lost or damaged body parts, including their entire body, through a process called transdifferentiation. Another amazing ability of jellyfish is their bioluminescence, which allows them to produce their own light through a chemical reaction within their bodies. This ability helps them to communicate, attract prey, and defend against predators in the dark depths of the ocean. Jellyfish also have an incredible ability to adapt to different environments and survive in extreme conditions. Some species of jellyfish can survive in temperatures ranging from near freezing to scorching hot, and in waters with varying levels of salinity and oxygen. In addition, jellyfish have a unique way of moving through the water using a process called jet propulsion. They use their muscles to contract and relax their bell-shaped bodies, creating a current that propels them forward. Jellyfish also have an impressive ability to clone themselves, with some species able to produce multiple clones from a single individual. This ability allows them to quickly colonize new areas and adapt to changing environments. Overall, jellyfish have a range of amazing abilities that allow them to thrive in the ocean and make them one of the most fascinating and resilient groups of animals on the planet. I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. See you on our next video.